Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm gonna be trying something. The challenge I'm gonna be trying today is a lights out challenge. Just kidding, but I am gonna be reviewing something. What I have to review today is, let me pull it out real quick. What I'm gonna review is this John Wayne semi. My grandpa gave this to me for one of my birthdays, and since then I've been really liking this. And this thing is not even broken, and I promised my grandpa I'd take good care of this. I'm pretty sure I got this for one of my birthdays, yep. So here it is. And there's something else I want to review too. What else? The other thing I want to review is nope, not that, definitely not that. The other thing I gotta review is, where is it? Oh, look. Where is it? Okay, I can't make a video. I'm too frustrated. Make a video. I'm too frustrated. I'm so sorry you have to see me crying like this. I'm so sorry about that. I'm having a horrible time right now. I don't even know why I'm frustrated, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I know you guys weren't expecting me to be crying there, but I just got a little frustrated. I'm too frustrated to do a video right now because I have no freaking reasons to do a video right now. I have no reasons to do a video. Yo, sorry about that little attitude, guys, but I just have no reasons to make a video right now. I know. And I need to, and I'm probably making a big fool of myself crying like that, because YouTubers who cry like that do make a big fool of themselves. I kind of feel embarrassed there. I do feel embarrassed. What are we gonna do right now? Hold on, guys. Hold on. But anyways, guys. Guys, I am the hazmat. Look, I'm the hazmat now. The hazmat has returned.